Let's take a look at the damage from some of the power lines here in the Pingree Park area. They've all been removed and stacked and replaced. Power is essentially restored. It's kind of interesting to see, we've grown up with power poles our whole lives. They smell like creosote. We know they're meant to be in the ground and last for a long time, but they still can take some damage, of course. Here's one right here that must have been around fire for a longer time, where it got some of its core actually chewed into there by the fire. Let's go look at the top. Yep, so that one must have had a lot of heavy trees that were burning around it, whereas others just have a little bit of damage, enough to disqualifying them from being in service. I don't know if they'll take some of these back and refurb them and put them in, do a test, and I don't know what their processes are, but I did want to show you how many they took out, because it is quite a few. This is their staging area here at Pingree, and this is where they work on decking everything, and I'm sure they'll haul these out of here. Just a wide variety of different impacts to the power poles.